Hey guys, this is the installation video for the heated grips which comes in this box on the 1190 Adventure R. So I've pretty much opened all the bike already for different installations, so might as well do this as well, right? So let's do the unboxing as well. So these are the grips. There's two cables here and there's one here. So this is the manual in the box. So it says there are two grips, one and two. There's some screw which I think this is the screw it's mentioning. So you gotta remove these the handguards and all the switches from here and from the right side, and just install this on some. Alright, so I've installed both the grips, the left side and the right side. For left side, you can either cut the grip if you don't need it, otherwise it just hold it tight and then try to wiggle it. There's some rubber part which is super sticky, so it'll take some time to cut it. I did not cut my grips. I was able to remove both of them. So the right throttle, you basically have to open this switch assembly and just put it inside and put it back. It's pretty simple. For the right side, you don't need to open this, just remove the older one and insert this one. So now there are place for screws here in the heated grip. So I think you need to drill in the handlebar from here and the bottom there too, and just route the cables through the same as you like. Just leave enough space so that uh, there's enough room for the cables to move. Now somebody suggested that you can see the connector once you remove the lower part, which I did, but I don't see any white connectors here to be able to connect here. So I'm gonna remove the headlight assembly and then find the connector to install them. So to remove the headlight assembly, you need to remove 4 screws. Here I've already removed them, all 4 of them. So 1, 2, and same side, 1 and 2. So total 4. Now ideally should come off.